I'll give you. Okay, so for question 7, we have an equation and a graph. And we're told that 0, 0 is the entry to the bridge, which the following is the exit from the bridge on the opposite end. Well, that would just be where it crosses the x-axis again, which would be here, which is slightly above 500. So the correct answer would be x equals 503 and y equals 0. So correct answer is D. Okay. Question 8. Question 8. We have graph of f of x is a line that passes through 0, 2 and has a slope of 5. So that means it would just be 5x and it passes through the point 0, 2. So that would just be the y-intercept, so 5x plus 2. Which of the following equations could define this function? The answer is D. Okay, question 9. Okay, so for question 9, we're just asked to find the slope of the data. So it starts at about 0. Let's just say this is about 18, and it ends at 35, and it increases by 8. So this would just be 35 minus 18, which is 17. Uh, 17 divided by changing this, which is 8, so 17 over 8, which is equal to 2.125, which is equal to interest A. Okay, question 19, or question 10. Okay, so question 10. Which of the following is not an x-intercept for graph? Well, the x-intercepts would be x equals -4, x equals +1, and x equals 3 over 2. So the x-intercepts are just where any one of these is equal to 0. So -4 plus 4 would be 0, or 1 minus 1 is 0, and 3 over 2 times 2 is 6 over 2, which is 3 minus 3, which is 0. So which of the following is not an x-intercept? Well, it would just be, it's not -4. -2/3 is not one of the answers, so the correct answer is B. 1, 0 is, and 3 over 2 is. So the correct answer is B. Okay, question 11.
If anyone has any question, they can always raise their hand and we will allow you to be unmuted so that you can ask your question.
Okay, so for question 11, we're given a current model, which the following is closest expected age to nearest whole year of a flathead catfish. So, length of a flathead catfish, which is this one, f of t, that is 31 inches long. So the length is given by this. So we have 31 equals 3t plus 4. Subtract 4 from both sides, and we get 27 equals 3t. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So, which of the following is closest into the answer, which would just be 10, because 10 is the closest number to 9 out of these answer choices. Okay, question 12. And also the reason why it's 10 is because this is after the first year of life, so you have to do plus 1 to get the total number of years. Okay, so for question 12, which of the following functions could find c as a function of t? Well, in this case, we just have to find the slope first, so that would just be 16 minus 8.5 over 4 minus 1, which is just 7.5 over 3, which is equal to 2.5. So the slope is 2.5. And for the intercept, it would just be 8.5 minus the slope, because this is at 1, we need to find what is at 0. So 8.5 minus 2.5 is 6. So the correct answer is 2.5 t plus 6. So correct answer is A. Okay, question 13. Okay, so for question 13, we're asked for a range of the median ages. So this column, which would just be the highest value, which would just be 36.3 minus the lowest value, which is 26.6. So 36.3 minus 26.6 is equal to 9.7, which is answer choice C. Okay, question 14. Okay, so for question 14, which of the following best approximates the number of patients surveyed who received refittings in New Zealand? So we're looking for percent refittings, which is the gray or the darker colored one. So we look at New Zealand, we see it's approximately here, which is um, about 38. So we would just take 100% minus 38 to find percent refittings, which is 62. And then we would just take the total number in New Zealand, so 721, and divide by um, or 721 and then multiply by 0.62. So we'd take 721 multiply by 0.62, which is equal to 447.02, which is equal to answer choice C. So question 14 is C. Okay, question 15. Okay, so for question 15, we're told estimated mean of 4.5 and a margin of error of 0.5. That means the actual mean is between 4 and 5. So it's likely that all visitors know, this is just talking about the mean. So no, it's likely that most had exactly 4.5. Well, no, the mean could be anywhere between 4 and 5. And also, this would be median, not mean. And it is not possible any, well, no, we could have some values that are incredibly low or incredibly high. This would be not accurate, and it is possible that the mean distance height for all visitors is between 4 and 5. Well, yes, that's correct. Because the margin of error is 0.5, so that would be 4.5 minus 0.5, which is 4, or 4.5 plus 0.5, which is 5. So correct answer is D. Okay, question 16. Okay, so for question 16. What fraction of the remainings were between fruit flies that were raised on the same medium? So basically, same medium. So this is maltose, maltose, so that's 20, and starch, starch, that's 22. So 22 plus 20 over the total, which is 59. So that would be 42 over 59, which is answer choice D, 42 over 59. Okay, question 17. So for question 17. Which of the following will be a combination where prisms will be formed? So we're just looking for a combination that's within this. So 5 degrees F is not, 15, sure, 20, sure, 30, sure. So then we look at 0.18, so 0.18, nope. 20 and 0.02, so 20 and 0.02, which would be here. So yeah, sure. So correct answer C, and then 30 and 0.08. So 30 and 0.08 would be like here. So no. So correct answer is C. Okay. Question 18. Okay, so for question 18, we got a sample of 40 students, 40 fourth grade students, selected at random from a certain school. Okay. Which of the following is the largest population? Is also the survey. Well, it was a random sample, so that's fine. It was only fourth grade students, so it can only be applied to fourth grade students, and it can only be applied to certain school. So all fourth grade students at that specific school. And then all students wouldn't work because it was just fourth graders. All students in the country, no, it would just be that school. And then the 40 students that were surveyed, well, no, you can apply it to a larger population. So the correct answer is B. Okay, question 19. Okay, so for question 19, which are following is closest to the width of the bales made by A to made by D? So we have A and D. So 62 versus 46. which it seems like they narrow down the highest value to 1. So this would just be 1. And then this would just be 46 over 62, which would just be 0.74 to 1. So the correct answer is A. Okay, question 20. Okay, so for question 20, we're asked to find which of the following is close to the percent by which E exceeds the price of hail by C, which would just be 32000 times some value. This would generally be 1 point something, but for now we're just gonna call it X equals uh equals 46,900. I don't know why this is happening. It's fun. Anyway, so this would just be 46,900 divided by 3,200, which is equal to 1.46, which is just 46%. If you subtract the 100%, because 3,200 times 1 would just be 3,200, and then times 1.46 is 46. So correct answer is 46%. So correct answer is D. Okay, question 21. Okay, so for question 21, I would really just recommend graphing this. You could try solving this without graphing by setting the equations equal to each other, but well, where they intersect, it's a pretty difficult way to solve it without graphing it. So when you graph this into your calculator, graph the first equation, then graph the second equation, and you'll get a graph of a quadratic equation like this, and a linear equation like this. And which order praise the solution? Well, all of these are only asking about the positive solution, which is here, not the negative one. So we just have to focus on this one. So when you plug this into your calculator or in Desmos, if you're using that, you get that the intersection is at 2.732 and 1.732. And so that we just have to convert these entrances. So root 3 is equal to 1.732, and root 5 is equal to 2.236. So root 3 is equal to 2.236, and or root 5 is equal to 2.236, and root 3 is equal to 1.732. So we have to find 2.732, so that would just be 1 plus root 3, and 1.732 is just root 3. So the correct answer is A. Okay, question 22. Okay, so for question 22, which the following is not true. Well, this is just an exponential function. line can be drawn that does not intersect the graph. That would just be like this. 1 point would just be like this. 2 points would be like this, and 3 points is not possible. So the correct answer is D. It's 11:30, so
Thank you, everybody, for joining us. We'll see you again next week on Sunday. Bye bye.